Overall, improving your business skills takes time and effort, but it can pay off in the long run. By setting specific goals, finding the right resources and training, and putting what you learn into practice, you can take your skills to the next level and improve your success in the business world. Today, I'm sharing with you a good plan for improving business skills, which involves several key steps. If you're ready, let's get into it. All right, so the first thing is to identify areas for improvement. Start by taking a step back and assessing your current business skills. What areas do you feel confident in, and where do you feel like you could use some work? Go a step further and identify the specific business skills you want to improve, such as communication, leadership, or financial management. Set specific goals. So once you've identified areas for improvement, set specific goals for yourself. This will help you to stay focused and motivated as you work to improve your skills. Then, research and gather information on the best practices and strategies for improving those skills. This could involve reading books, attending workshops or seminars, or talking to other business leaders or experts in the field. Find resources and training. There are many resources and training programs available to help you improve your business skills. Consider taking a course, attending a workshop, or reading a book on the subject. Create a study schedule and plan to allocate time each day or each week to practicing and improving your English business skills. And create a plan for implementing the strategies and techniques that you have learned, and set specific goals and timelines for achieving them. Take action and start implementing your plan using the strategies and techniques you have learned to improve your business skills. Practice and apply what you learn. The best way to improve your business skills is to put what you learn into practice. Try implementing new strategies and techniques in your work and see how they impact your performance. Seek feedback and support. Don't be afraid to seek feedback and support from others. Talk to mentors, colleagues, or friends who can provide helpful insights and guidance as you work to improve your business skills. Monitor your progress and make adjustments to your plan as needed. This could involve seeking feedback from others, setting new goals, or finding additional resources or support to help you continue to improve your business skills. And make any necessary adjustments to your plan as needed, such as increasing the amount of time you spend studying or finding new resources to help you improve your English skills. All right, so now let's look at some additional activities you could include in your plan for improving business skills. So you can join a professional organization or networking group related to your industry. This can provide opportunities to learn from others, share knowledge and experiences, and network with potential mentors or employees. Volunteer for leadership roles or take on additional responsibilities at work. This can help you develop your leadership and management skills, as well as gain valuable experience and build your resume. Use online tools and resources such as business simulations or case studies to practice and apply what you learn in a virtual setting. This can help you gain hands-on experience and test out new strategies without the risk of real-world consequences. Attend conferences or events related to your field and take advantage of networking opportunities and professional development workshops. This can provide access to experts and thought leaders, as well as new ideas and insights that can help you improve your business skills. Connect with other business professionals on social media, online forums. You can also participate in my community, Exploring Academy. You can join our discussions and our topics. related to business. You can also join groups related to your industry. This can help you to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments, as well as gain new perspectives and insights from others in the field. All right, so are you ready to put this all into practice? Well, I have a quest for you to complete, which is something that you'll get if you're a member of my private community, Exploring Academy. So if you'd like this quest, the discussion that goes along with it, and an opportunity to submit questions or ask me live, then you can sign up for my community using the link down below. I hope to see you there. And so to conclude, improving your business skills is an ongoing process that requires dedication and effort. By identifying areas for improvement, setting specific goals, finding resources and training, and putting what you learn into practice, you can take your skills to the next level and achieve greater success in the business world. Remember to seek feedback and support from others, monitor your progress, and make adjustments to your plan as needed. With the right mindset and approach, you can continue to grow and develop your business skills and reach your full potential. That's it for me today, Advanced English Learners. Thank you for spending time with me. I will see you in the next one where we're going to continue advancing your English together. Until then, keep up the awesome work, and I'll see you real soon. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please be sure to show it some love. Show it some love on the podcast, on Spotify, on YouTube, and on our own website. And feel free to share all those resources and links with anyone who wants to upgrade their English language communication skills and also be on the path to social fluency. Until next time, bye for now.